Hey guys, it's Alex. I'm making this video, and I am completely aware that my hair is all like weird and shit. But whatever. So yeah. So here I am. Nice little video on this thing. And what I can show you here. What I can tell you is that, guys, like, I honestly could care less, because everybody's like, ooh, shh, you can't see my passcode. I'm like, who the fuck knows you? Why would they ever go on your stuff? So, I'm gonna tell you right now, my passcode is the year I graduated high school. So, you can figure that out. Anyway, so, let me fix the brightness here. Ooh, what's that thing? I don't know what it is. Anyway. Alright, so here we are. My iPod again. That's the settings. So I just want to tell you guys that so that's it. I got the 3.1.1 software. And a lot of people are saying, oh, the new iPod Touch is out, and it's not that great. The only good feature about it is basically its gigabyte capacity, and it's 50% faster, and it has 3.1.1 software, and it is supported by Apple in every single way to call people without the towers. So you can do anything like that without the towers. Anyway, so, but if you just get the 8 gigabyte, you're not going to get all that stuff. You're just going to get what I have in my hand right here, which is the second generation. They don't really call it a third. Same thing, just kind of different. I didn't drop it anyway. So this is the new one. I guess you can call it the third generation. There's nothing special about it, but it technically is the second generation, but with the 3.1.1 software. So if you were to buy this off Apple right now, you paid about $200. So all you really get is the awesome advantage of buying anything off the App Store. Like, you can buy anything off the App Store. Because I've gotten denied in the past saying, like, you need the 3.0 software, the iPhone software. I'm like, well, bitch, I don't have that. So I have this now, so you can download anything. So once I get the headphones, I'm set. But what you get on the 3.1.1 software is you get this cool thing here, which is a microphone, so you can record, like, memos and shit. Let me turn off the lights here. So yeah, you can record, like, memos and shit. I don't know how, like, much an advantage that would be to you, but you can do it. So, and it gives you, like, a meter about how loud you are. At the bottom there, you can't really see it. The record button's over here, and if you press the other button on the side, it'll give you this page about everything you've recorded, and so you can share it and you can delete, and it will give you a list, but I can't record anything. Another thing is that when you scroll over here, this thing pops up, and that's a full iPod search where you can search anything you want to. And by the way, the landscape keyboard was made out to be, and that's like the main reason I bought this. And the only thing that's really good about the, well, no, I mean, it's a good thing, but it doesn't work for everything. It's only what it wants it to work for. So, alright, so, like, here, look, see, there's no landscape keyboard. Alright, now, see, now I just press the home button. So I press the home button, and it'll take me back to there. If I press it again, oh fuck yeah. So press it again, it'll take me to there. Press it again, it'll take me back to there. And you can just do this as much as you want, because there's like 2 home screens now. But it'll still take you back, say you're here. It'll still take you back to the first screen. But you have to press it again, and then it'll take you there. Or you can just swipe over. Like I said before. You can just anyway, so yeah, that's one of the main features. You can use the landscape keyboard in notes. You can use it for. And the new Facebook update, the new Facebook requires 3.0 software, and that is the landscape keyboard for any messaging you want to add. So anything you're typing, it'll let you use the landscape keyboard. But it's basically only for notes and email. Internet. Well, you can always use it for the internet, but yeah, I don't know how to use the Genius playlist. No, I have a Genius playlist on here, but there's like Genius recommendations or something like that. I think it's stupid. I don't know how you enter the parental controls. Settings basically look the same. They haven't really changed. Nope, settings look the same. You can see that. They have not changed at all. So, you know, I'm glad they lowered it because it really wasn't worth $10 before. So, that's basically probably all I have to say about the whole new 3.1.1 software. That's all it does. You can't really do anything else with it. But what I found it really useful is just the use to be able to use it for all these, for the landscape keyboard and Facebook, for when you're messaging to one of your friends and you're like in this deep conversation, and you know, with the normal keyboard it's kind of hard to type and you get bored, so you know, this way you have the whole landscape and you can do the whole thing. And I really like the whole iPod search thing, because there's many times I just get lost. I'm like, don't I have that one song? Like, I just used it this morning with my friend Ashley, because I don't remember what she asked me. We listened to some kind of song, and it was a Screamo remix or something like that. I'm like, oh, I have a song you would like, and I wanted to show it to her, and I couldn't remember the name. So, I'm like, oh, I can search. Went back, and I searched what 4 Years Strong, which is the album, and it came up with the albums, and I was able from there to figure out the artist. So that was very helpful. But it'll search apps, and anything on your iPod. Anything that is saved. So, yeah, it's kind of cool. But all the features you can use just to download stuff is pretty cool. Oh yeah, and cut, copy, and paste is another one that's on there. I use that a lot now. But you can copy pictures, but I don't really use it often because it's nothing new really. But copy and paste, it's not that great. It comes in handy though, but it can also get annoying and kind of in your way. So yeah, that's it. That's basically just a review of 3.1.1 software. So it's up to you if you really want it, if you're that desperate. But I don't think it's worth it.